Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sharp TV remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for your entertainment setup. But what happens when your trusty remote goes missing, breaks, or simply stops working? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Sharp TV remote replacements, exploring the best options available to get your TV back under your control. Number 5. Sharp Roku TV remote with Netflix and more. Is your current remote control giving you trouble? This replacement is the perfect solution. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Sharp Roku TV. Forget complicated setups. This remote is ready to go right out of the box. Simply insert batteries, and it's ready to control your TV. Enjoy instant access to your favorite streaming services. This remote features dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Sling, and Hulu, making it easier than ever to find what you want to watch. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Sharp Roku TV models. It works with LC24LB601U, LC50LB601U, LC32LB601U, and many more. Check the list to see if it fits your TV. This remote is designed to work with all Sharp Roku TVs. It's a reliable and convenient replacement for your original remote. Get yours today and enjoy effortless control. What we like. This remote is designed specifically for Sharp Roku TVs, offering seamless compatibility. It features dedicated shortcut buttons for popular streaming services, making navigation a breeze. Plus, it's ready to use right out of the box, just add batteries. If you have a Roku TV and value simplicity and convenience, this remote is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Sharp TV. It was easy to set up and use. The buttons are well placed and easy to press. Number 4. Sharp Smart TV Replacement Remote Control. Are you looking for a replacement remote for your Sharp Smart TV? This is the perfect solution. It's designed to work seamlessly with your TV. This remote is compatible with various Sharp 4K Smart TV models. It supports a wide range of models, ensuring it will work with your TV. No programming is needed. Simply install new batteries, and it's ready to go. This makes it incredibly easy to set up and use. This is an infrared remote, so it requires a direct line of sight to your TV. Make sure there are no obstructions between the remote and the TV's sensor for it to function properly. Please note that this remote is not universal and will not work for Sharp Roku TVs. Make sure it is the correct type for your TV before purchasing. What we like. This remote is a direct replacement for various Sharp Smart TV models, ensuring a hassle-free setup. It requires no programming, so you can start using it immediately. However, it uses infrared technology, requiring a clear line of sight to the TV. If you are looking for a simple, no-fuss replacement and don't mind pointing directly at your TV, this remote is ideal. What people say. Compatible with Sharp TV from 2016, put batteries in and it worked. That easy. No programming, good quality material. Nicer remote control than the factory one. It worked perfectly right out of the package, just added batteries, with no code entering needed. Just pushed the power button and off we went. It works perfectly. Funciona super bien en mi TV Sharp, no require programarlo ni nada, funciona de una vez. Number 3. Replacement voice remote for Sharp Hisense Android TV. Introducing the new replacement voice command remote control. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Sharp or Hisense Android Smart TV. This remote is a perfect replacement. This remote features voice assistance, allowing you to control your TV with just your voice. Simply speak your commands, and the remote will do the rest. It makes navigating your TV easier than ever. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Sharp and Hisense Android Smart TV models. It supports models like LC55N8003U, LN60N7000, and many more. Check the full list to ensure it works with your TV. The remote is designed to feel comfortable in your hand. The keys are sensitive, ensuring every command is registered quickly and accurately. You'll love using it. This is a voice remote control and will need to pair with your TV to work. The pairing process is simple and straightforward. Enjoy the convenience of this new remote. What we like. This remote offers the convenience of voice control, allowing you to easily navigate your Sharp or Hisense Android Smart TV. The design is comfortable to hold, with responsive keys. To use it, you will need to pair it with your TV. If you like the convenience of voice control and want a modern remote, this is the one for you. What people say. This one was paired and working within under a minute. Everything else works great, too. Plug and play. Put batteries in and it worked right out of the box. No programming or hassle. Great product. The buttons are nice and responsive, clearly marked and have touch points for easy navigating. It uses 2 AAA batteries not included, but who doesn't have AAA batteries? The biggest reason I purchased this remote was to have a backup remote for my new Hisense U8G 65-inch TV. Even though it's not listed, it does work if you pair it through the TV's settings menu. Number 2. GB004WJSA GB005WJSA Universal Remote for Sharp Aquos TV. Tired of multiple remotes? This universal remote is designed for all Sharp and Aquos TVs. It's the perfect replacement for your old or broken remote. Forget complicated setups. This remote works right out of the box. Just insert 2 AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. Experience a strong and reliable signal with infrared technology. It covers all the functions of the original remote, with a range of over 15 meters. Enjoy quick and responsive control. The buttons are soft touch and anti-dust, with a response time of less than 0.2 seconds. It's built to last, tested for over 150,000 clicks. We stand behind our product with a 360-day warranty. If you have any issues, our customer service team will respond within 12 hours. Buy with confidence. What we like. This universal remote is designed to work with all Sharp Smart Aquos TVs, eliminating the need for multiple remotes. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring no setup, just insert batteries and you're ready to go. Moreover, it comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind. If you are looking for a simple, reliable remote with a guarantee, this is a great choice. What people say. Works as described. Works great right out of the box, no program required. It worked exactly as we needed, was super simple to set up, and has made life much easier. Number 1. Sharp EN2A27S Replacement Remote. Introducing the EN2A27S Replacement Remote, designed to work seamlessly with your Sharp LCD, LED, and Smart TVs. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Sharp TV models, ensuring a perfect fit for your viewing needs. Forget complicated setups. This remote is ready to go right out of the box. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, and you're ready to start enjoying your TV. Experience quick and responsive control. The buttons are soft to the touch and designed to be anti-dust. It offers a response time of less than 0.2 seconds, and is tested for over 150,000 clicks. We stand behind our product with a 360-day warranty. If you have any issues, our customer service team is here to help, with responses within 12 hours. This ensures you have a worry-free experience. This remote is compatible with a variety of Sharp TV models, including the 55H6B, 50H7GB, and 6200U series, and many more. It is designed to work with a wide range of Sharp TVs, ensuring it meets your needs. What we like. This universal remote is compatible with a wide range of Sharp LCD LED HD TVs. It's designed for a fast response, ensuring a smooth user experience. The product also comes with a 360-day warranty. If you are looking for a reliable and responsive remote with a long warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. This remote works perfectly with my Sharp TV. The remote was easy to set up and use. The buttons are well placed and easy to press. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.